Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome to Go Native Farms. And today we're going to take a look at the Zia chilies that we planted and are harvesting today. And look at all these chilies. We have a row about 30 feet long. It goes all the way down here. And down here, they did get attacked by the tomato hornworms. And there are a little bit less chilies here, and the leaves are a little less green. So the hornworm attacks probably part of the problem as to why they're not fully green down here. But overall, we had an excellent harvest, and there are chilies everywhere. So these are really nice tasting chili. They taste kind of like a bell pepper that's a little bit spicy. And I'd say the spiciness is, I don't know, maybe a 7 or an 8 on the spicy scale if 10's the hottest. But we had a whole bunch of them. We're harvesting today. Got some friends coming out to help me with doing the harvest and cutting all these up. Look at all those chilies. They're everywhere. And these seeds are going to go to the Native Seed Search, and you can buy them at the Native Seed Search. Excuse me. I'll put the link below, and if you're interested in some of these Zia Pueblo chilies, they are awesome. Look at all those. They taste great. So I do grow seeds for them, and they do pay me to grow them out. So that is our situation. It is about October the 11th today, and they're doing great. Ready for harvest. Probably might have gone a day too long on some of them, but can't wait to harvest them and eat some of these chilies. Thank you for tuning in, and have a great day.